In this video, I will show you how to unblock websites on school Chromebook in 2024. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new blank Google Doc. So you want to come across to docs.google.com and click to open up a new blank document. So now what you want to do is go ahead, open up a new tab and come across to google.com. From here, you want to go ahead and search for the website that you want to unblock. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and select Facebook. So we're going to type that into the search. And once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is right click onto the top result, which will be the website. Then you want to come down and click onto copy link address. After doing that, come back to your Google Doc and just go ahead and click onto insert up in the top left hand corner. Then you want to come down and click onto link. So this is going to bring up a box like this, and what you want to do is go ahead and paste the link into here and then press apply. So now what you want to do is come back to Google and you want to find the login page as well. So after Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and type login and press enter. Next, what I'm going to do is click onto the site address again. So Facebook login just here. I'm going to right click and click onto copy link address. Again, what we're going to do is come back to our Google Doc, and what I'm going to do is come back to insert just up here, go down, click onto link and paste my link and then press apply. So once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is actually save and download this as a PDF. So to do that, come up to the top left hand corner, click onto file, come down to download and then go ahead and select PDF document. So once that's downloaded, what you can do is click onto this to open it. Then what you can do is click onto these links and that should go ahead and actually unblock the website. But once you go ahead and give that a click, that should open up the website, should actually unblock the website and you should be able to access it no problem at all. So that is how to unblock websites on school Chromebook in 2024. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.